Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to customize follow-up flags in Outlook. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app and log into your account. Once you're logged in, your emails will start loading into your inbox. This process usually takes just a moment, so give it a few seconds to fully populate your mailbox with all your messages. Now that your emails have loaded, it's time to customize your follow-up flag. Navigate to your inbox pane where all your emails and email folders are displayed. This is the main area where you can see all your incoming messages organized by date and importance. From here, locate and click on the specific email you want to add a customized follow-up flag to. This could be any message that requires your attention or a response at a later time. Once you've selected the email, right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options for managing your message. This menu gives you quick access to various email actions without having to navigate through multiple toolbar menus. From the context menu that appears, move your cursor over the option labeled Follow-up. When you hover over this option, you'll see additional follow-up choices expand to the side. This submenu contains all the different ways you can flag your emails for future action. From this expanded list of options, click on Custom. This is where the real customization happens. A new window will pop up titled Custom Follow-up, and this is where you can tailor your flag exactly how you need it. In this window, you can add a new name for your flag, making it more specific to your needs. For example, instead of just marking it as a general follow-up, you could name it Review Contract or Client Response Needed. Next, you'll see Date Picker dropdowns where you can set both a start date and a due date for this task. This helps you keep track of when you need to begin working on this item and when it needs to be completed. Additionally, you can set a reminder date by clicking on the checkbox next to the reminder option. This ensures Outlook will notify you at the right time so you don't forget about this important task. Once you've configured all these settings to match your requirements, click on OK to save your custom follow-up flag. And that's it, you've successfully customized a follow-up flag in Outlook, giving you better control over how you manage and prioritize your emails. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.